Welcome to my new tutorial on the SmartAssistant channel. I hope you're doing well. In this tutorial, we will explore one of the interesting features offered by Instagram, sending gift messages. This feature allows you to further personalize your messages by adding a small digital gift. Perhaps you want to send a birthday greeting with a cute gift or simply express gratitude with a symbolic gesture. Whatever the occasion, sending gift messages can be a great way to express your emotions on Instagram. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store or App Store on your device and check if you have the latest version of the Instagram app. If you don't have the latest version, update it. After that, open the Instagram app. Now, go to the direct message, then select the person you want to send a message to. Once you've selected, type what you want, and then you'll see an icon with a magnifying glass to the left of the text. Tap on it. In this section, you'll see some of the gifts. Now, swipe from right to left to see all of them, then simply tap on the one you like, and you'll send a gift with the message. When the person receives the message, they'll see the gift, and all they need to do is tap it, and then your message will appear. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope it was helpful and inspiring. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the SmartAssistant channel to receive notifications about new tutorials and content. See you soon in the next videos. Thanks again and all the best.